Hey everybody, it's Gary again. I just want to show you a quick way to change the undo send amount of time that you have in order for you to recall your message. Now, if you're from Microsoft, you may have had a longer time to recall an email after you've sent it to be able to edit that or change things up. Here in Google, you've got 30 seconds at the max, but you have to change it to that. So let me show you how to do that. Go to the upper right-hand corner of your screen to the gear icon and click. Go to See All Settings and click. In the General tab where you start off with, your third setting down should be Undo Send. We want to look to the right and you'll see a pull-down message that says 5 seconds. Now, what we want to do is click on that little menu and click on 30. We want to update that. And then we want to go down to the very bottom of the screen and click on Save Changes. Now, once you send a message off, you're going to see a little black banner appear in the lower left corner of your screen, and it will say Undo. You'll have an option to click on Undo within that 30-second window. If you don't, the word Undo will disappear, and it's gone. You will not be able to recall it. Also, as a bonus tip, FYI, if you navigate to a different page once you've clicked on that Send button, when that Undo banner appears, if you navigate to another page, it will immediately disappear. So you'll eliminate that option. So just be aware of that. So with that, folks, that is how you are going to update the Undo Send feature. Until we meet again, this is Gary, signing out.